In this quick World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King tutorial, also known as WOW WOTLK, I will show you from where to learn the crossbow skills, swords, daggers and maces as well in this game, because you will have to get to a trainer to teach you these skills if you don't know them naturally, right? So for this you'll have to come in Exodar, alright? So we are located in Azuremyst Islands, right here, alright? And you'll have to enter the capital city of the Dagges, the Exodar. One more time, this is WOW WOTLK, alright? And you'll have to get right here at the traders tier, and you'll find these stairs right here, so you'll have to climb them, and on top you'll locate the weapon trainer. Now every weapon trainer will teach you a different weapon. If you want to learn bows, you'll have to head to Darnassus as an example, but for the crossbows this guy will be enough, so you'll have to come here and speak with him, and he can teach you the crossbows, daggers, maces and swords as well. And the location one more time, we are located in Traders Tier in Exodar in the Azuremyst Islands. I hope this tutorial helped you out to know the location, and thanks a lot for watching.